guys, it's been a while, but here I am back at it again with the white vans. Just kidding. Remember that meme? Back at it again with another unboxing. Today we have an unboxing from Enabler's Outpost. Look how cute this arrived. Please donut crush. I would probably eat this. And then it has this packages, happy to see you. And thank you for supporting my small business. And there's hair everywhere. Don't mind me. There's probably hair on every single part of the floor because my cats like to leave their hair and I did not come prepared. So here are my fake scissors. And by scissors, I mean a pen. And my cat is just, okay, filming a VK, you can stay there. So let's take a look. This is the Raven from Enabler's Outpost. Comes to us in a box and it says the beeve. Aw, the beeve. Okay, let me read this off camera. Thank you, Elizabeth and Edward. And here is a unicorn eating a wiener. That's adorable. And then there's also bubble tea. It's like they know me. It's like they know me. Bubble tea and a wiener. Those are my two favorite things, I would say. So Elizabeth and Edward are the owners of Enabler's Outpost. They are an amazing power couple. They just launched their new website, enablersoutpost.com. If you guys want to check it out, I will put the link in the description box below. And this is, here is a thumbnail of the diamond painting. It is a round diamond painting and it's a good size, 40 by 55 centimeters. Oh, and isn't this cute? That's Elizabeth, that's Edward. Aww, okay. They are primarily pen makers, but they also sell licensed diamond paintings, so that's pretty cool. Let's check this out. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, is there, oh no, it looks like drills. I need to vacuum. You get a toolkit. We'll see what's involved in the toolkit. You get a white boat and some blue wax. A blue matching pen. Matches the wax, you know. Some tweezers, some pointy ass tweezers. And if you hear that noise, that is just my landlord. I am very sorry. There's nothing I can do about it. There's a squishy and you get a 4-placer and a 7-placer. So that's helpful, and I really like these white multi-placers. They just make multi-placing a lot easier than the thick clear ones, so that's awesome. So we had a bit of an accident. Maybe a bag isn't closed well enough, or they're just extras, but you can see, plus hair, there's some hair on my floor. You also get this sheet, so Enabler's Outpost. Here is it's a version 2 by Kikoe Art, Raven After Crit. I think this one is so beautiful. I'm so excited to work on it. Hello friend, we want to thank you for purchasing one of our, it's a Generation 3 diamond painting kit. This artwork is responsibly legally sourced through the artist Kikoe Art. Please follow this amazing artist. So if you guys want to check out the artist, here is their information. And here is the schematic. We have 3 ABs and 34 colors. This is my first ever Enabler's Outpost canvas, and oh, it feels nice. It feels very nice. And again, this size is amazing. It is 40 by 55 centimeters, and I think the size is perfect. Like, it's not too big, not too small. You're gonna get the detail. Here is the schematic. So all the symbols look like they're easy to view. And again, you're getting 3 ABs, 208, 210, and 5200. And we'll take a look at the drill field. The drill field looks good. I'm not seeing any issues. This symbol A, if you can see this on the screen, A might be kind of hard to see, but like it's easier to see with the human eye, not through the lens, I guess you could say. And at the top of the canvas, we have their cute little logo. Aren't they adorable, Elizabeth? Ooh, Edward. Hi, Edward. What's up with you, boo? I think this is amazing. And then it says at the bottom, Raven After Crit 2 by Kikoe Art. Over here we have information about the canvas, 40 by 55. There's a thumbnail. I'm so excited, and this is a decent amount of colors, 34 colors. Okay, let's take a look at the drills. So here we have the drills. I'm not going to pull all of them out, but we will take a look at those ABs, which I believe are down here. Yay, I was right. Okay. So here are the ABs. There's 208, which is like a dark purpley. Aha, this bag was a little bit loose. So this bag is the one that's leaking or spilling out a little bit. This is 210, a light purple. And then 5200 is this white. I always forget, is it 5200 that's glow in the dark, or is 5200 just white? I don't know. So they come pre-packaged in these baggies, which is really helpful if you like working out of baggies. You can tell there's lots of purples, blues, some grays. Yeah, I think this will turn out really nice. And I like that this is labeled. So here, EOR01. EOR01. So if you do store your canvases separate from your drills, you do have an identifying thing. So let's take a look and see where these ABs go. So there's a Y color. That Y is going to be in here, in here, in here. Some down here, and I think, oh, some in here. So I think that's it. And then the next color is a T. So we have some tea down here. Tea down here. Spill the tea, sis. We have some tea, 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 more tea. And I think that's about it. And then we have that white. So anywhere where you see patches of this like bright white, that's going to be that white AB. Wow, this will turn out so pretty. I really like the placement of the ABs. Like, I think they're placed in really great spots. I'm really excited to do this diamond painting. This might actually have to be on my to-do list next, because it is very pretty. It is very pretty. And the canvas is... It's not like those soft short lint canvases or soft lint canvases. It's a bit rough, but I actually prefer like rougher, more sturdier canvases. Look at all the drills. So yeah, I think this will turn out really nice. So thank you so much to Enablers Outpost for sending me this. I'll put their information in the description box below if you do want to reach out to them and grab this diamond painting. And if you're new here and you like diamond painting and you want to see more diamond painting videos from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!